want everyone to understand that we are facing most likely one of the largest snowstorms in the history of this city, in the recorded history of this city. The early projections for this storm are that it would easily be as much as 2 feet of snow, potentially pushing on closer to 3 feet of snow. So this literally could be one of the top 2 or 3 largest storms in the history of this city, and we need to plan accordingly. So my message to all New Yorkers is prepare for something worse than we have seen before. Prepare to be safe. Take every precaution. Now is the time to get ready for this extreme weather. It is so important to focus on safety in these next few days. Don't underestimate this storm. Prepare for the worst, and we will all be able to get through this together. The agencies that are part of this effort, we're here in this sanitation garage, and obviously sanitation leads the way in making sure we get through each
orange
storm.
level, orange.
Sanitation, DOT,
Get orange. Orange is all the way to the far left.
Police, fire, all of the agencies will work together. They're already right now in a state of high alert, prepared for what will hit us starting tomorrow. And I want to remind my fellow New Yorkers that we are blessed with the finest workforce anywhere in this country, ready for emergencies, tried and tested and proven many times over. And these agents...
Again, it's going to start out slow, but sanitation will be ready, like you said, 2 to 3 inches they start plowing. But the trigger is going to be keeping up with the snowfall. You're going to have blizzard-like conditions. They'll be able to plow a street, come back in a half hour, it'll be covered again. So we've got a tremendous amount of personnel on hand here, equipment, and they're going to be out early. But the problem's going to be keeping up with the blizzard-like conditions. These are blizzard-like conditions.
Help people prepare. They're getting this news now. Here it is, 20 minutes or so before 5 o'clock. They want to get to the stores as best they can today, maybe even take advantage of that in the morning. What do you want them to stock up on?
Well, I don't think it's this is New York City. Make sure you have the essentials. That's the bottom line. Get some flashlights if there's a blackout, things of that nature. But I think most families have got what they need to get them through a couple of days. So, but if you don't have flashlights, that's one of the key ones.
Mm-hmm. And then you heard the mayor say, pay attention to the most vulnerable, the elderly.
Hey y'all, good morning. So I'm out here, I'm outside, and it's like 8:45 a.m. and it's a little hard to see right now, but in terms of this whole blizzard slash snowstorm that we're supposed to be having today, they said it was not going to be for a while, that it would be happening late morning, early afternoon is when it would start. But it looks to me like it's already started this early, as you can see here. See, and it's coming down quickly too, it's not slow. So maybe it's going to be pretty bad. They said it would be, and it's on its way, I suppose. You can kind of see it there in the camera. Hey, y'all. So, in a minute here, I'm going to do a video of what it looks like outside right now. I mean, it's unbefreaking-leavable. Unbefreaking-leavable. Like, seriously. Just... I would say an hour ago or so, it looks nothing like this, and now it is really starting to come down. And it's after 2, so it's about that time. They said around 2 o'clock. They didn't give a time. They said around late morning, early afternoon-ish, we should start seeing some results. And the results are now. So you'll see here in a minute. Look at that. And I mean, it's coming down hard. Too. See that? Insane. Like you can see all the snow. You can see all the snow there as it's hitting against the. You can see it against the brick there. But the wind is blowing really hard. Let me minimize this again. The wind is blowing strongly, and it's getting all over the place. All on the walkway. I mean, this is definitely like a blizzard. These are blizzard-like conditions, and that's what they said it was going to be. So it's on its way for sure. Anyway. Morning, y'all. About to go out here and see what this blizzard is like. Because let me just tell you, I was looking out the window and there is quite a bit of snow out there, yes, but it doesn't look anything like they said it was going to be. Like 50 feet of snow and all of this. Not 50. You know, even that's exaggerated, but you get my point. You see I got this humongous, gigantic scarf on. See it there? Yeah, this scarf was made by my cousin, Tori. My illustrious, wonderful, beautiful cousin. She's unbelievable. She made it. It's a perfect scarf for weather such as this. So, I'm heading out in a minute. Bye. So, you can see the snow is actually right up here by the walkway. Come on here. The super was here not early this morning. I heard him out here, you know, with this snow a short while ago. Got on my boots, as you can see, to avoid the snow. Now, this here is a bit of a snowbank. I'm not sure how well you can see it, but this is just, you know, that's just a bit of a bank just from him using his snow plow machine thingy. I don't even know how deep this goes. Let me see how deep this goes. Well, my foot's down in there, but it's, you know, it's not. Let me see. It's not so far down in there that. Let me see here. Well, anyway, see what it's like down here. The walkways are pretty clear. I mean, that's quite a bit of snow, I guess, there. It's hard for me to tell, you know, if you can see this well, because it's not that clear from what I'm viewing. But I'm hoping that as you're seeing it, you can see it pretty well. But it's pretty beautiful, actually. If you look at it on the trees and all, it's quite nice. Especially this tree. Reminds me of something from some kind of an animated film. And the cars are pretty covered. Somewhat, anyway. Good morning. Coming out to shovel the snow? Oh. Are you actually going to work today?
I attempt to.
Oh, okay. Well, have fun with that. It's definitely cold out here, y'all. That's for sure. It's pretty chilly. More than chilly, I should say, honestly. Come out here and see what's happening on this side. Now, somebody has cleared this walkway. I have no idea who. Oh, this guy here, I guess. See that guy down there? Let me get a close-up for you. See that machine there that he's using? Yeah, that's the same kind of machine the Super had a short while ago. There's some plow trucks going by. I think I see another one there. There's another one. Good morning. Are you making deliveries? Oh. This is your own personal. You absolutely would. So the cleaners is actually open today?
No,
the cleaners was open?
I had this in my car up and up.
Oh, I was gonna say, I was like, wow, they're committed. Well, yeah, you know, cause I thought he was delivering it.
I didn't realize I could have done well.
That's pretty unbelievable.
Pretty good stuff.
Yeah. See you guys later. Now see, some of these people have the right ideas. See this car here? It's going by real slowly. Honestly, I think those are going a bit too fast for real, to tell you the truth. But anyway, that's their prerogative. If they want to, you have to take your time in this weather. You see these roads, they're slushy and wet. See, look at this vehicle here. I think that's too fast. Honestly. 'Cause then he's gonna go sliding by, and then there's gonna be an accident. You have to take your time in this weather. Let's get a close up of this guy here. Good morning. Good morning. That's pretty amazing. Okay, I guess he doesn't want to talk. It's pretty clear. You guys did great. Whitcomb's Landscaping, I guess. Like it's really clear.
I don't know what that is. This don't stop.
I think they said it's supposed to stop around noon, like around 12 o'clock, but you see it hasn't stopped yet, so I don't know. It's pretty, but I mean it looks good, very clear. He what? Oh, the salt. Oh yeah. To help to like break it up, you mean? Yeah, that's good. Hola, hola. Poco trabajo, mucho dinero. ¿Sí? No? Oh my God. Mucho dinero. No. Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Sí, poco frío, ¿no? Sí, mucho frío. You guys did good, man. It looks good here.
Okay, thank you.
He was just asking me, you know, like what time, like I think the snow is gonna stop. I don't really know. They said like around 12, but you see it's still coming down a little bit.
It's supposed to be like 12.
Like around 12, right? I know, but I mean, isn't it 12 now?
I don't know what time it is.
I think it's almost 12 now.
Almost 11.
No, I think almost 12. Yeah. Anyway, ciao. Too fast. That car is way too fast. And this, whoa, this even faster. Yikes. Man, they need to slow down. They need to slow down.
For us, it wasn't quite what we expected, but that's okay. We started monitoring this thing in White Plains, ended up in Connecticut. Bright and sunny now in downtown Greenwich, you can see here, where actually some people were disappointed by the blizzard's glancing blow. Even before the sun came up, some plow drivers were suggesting the blizzard was not what they'd expected.
It's like a bust, I guess. I mean, you know, we're supposed to get like 2 feet of snow. I think we got like 6 inches here.
Streets and highways were nearly empty because of travel bans in downstate New York and Connecticut. The steady snow, though, did not keep pace with efforts to clear the pavement. The plows made progress, and late morning, the travel bans were lifted locally.
It's still slick, but it's not bad at all. I'm surprised. I mean, the towns did a nice job plowing. It's only 6 inches. You know, I was expecting 18 to 20 inches by now. So, we lucked out.
Downtown Greenwich, Connecticut was clear by 10 a.m. Even if the stores were mostly closed, cynics displayed that I knew it smile they always have in reserve.
I knew it wasn't going to be that big a deal.
How did you know?
Because they call them weathermen for a reason. They don't know whether it will or whether it won't.
Well, that's about it for now. So, I'm heading back in, as you can see, back over here where I was. Hope you enjoyed my video on the blizzard of 2015. Bye.